Hello everyone, this is Antil Gurung and I'm speaking here. Here standing in this sacred Gumpa. As we all know that the history of this Gumpa dates back to that of the Second World War, and obviously at that time we all know that it had been disrupted due to some war, something that is related to the history that dates back to the 19th century, and luckily now it has been reconstructed, and today in the presence of His Holiness Rimpunjala, who hails from Gangtok, Sikkim, we are here to inaugurate the reconstruction of this sacred Gumpa. As we all know that Gumpa, mandirs and all, it's an asset for all of us, and we Gen Z should also get indulged in securing our tradition, in conserving our tradition, and reconstructing Gumpa is one such active step which has been taken by all the citizens, and we should also contribute actively. Obviously our elder generations, everybody, they contribute actively because they have been working restlessly, they have been holding meetings, they have been contributing money and all, and yes, due to their effort and all, they have been doing a lot. But we Gen Z, we the younger generations, we the youth must also help them in this reconstruction of the Gumpa, and also conserving it, and also preserving it for the future generations. In this Gumpa, it is said that it has been disrupted back during the Second World War, and now if you see, you can see over here, there are different silas. You see stones, these sacred stones, which we term as silas. There is one. Here's one. Dada, zoom in. Its name.
Kundasila.
Kundasila, yes. This is one sila. Among all the silas, there are not many. This is one, this Kundasila. Over there are many others also. This has been. This is one of the silas, and other silas are also there. So I think it is an asset for our society because place like this we should preserve. It is rare, and we should also respect, because the more we respect and preserve our own tradition, our culture, our these are assets. The more we preserve our assets, the more we will lead towards development. The more progress we can achieve in our life, the more we can do as a society, because this Gumpa Mandir and all, it is definitely a symbolism of our cultural identity, the one that we carry with ourselves till the death. So the more we respect and adopt Buddhism, the more we respect and adopt Buddhism, the more we can prevail with peace, because when we live in our society, the most important thing that we need is peace and harmony. If there is peace and harmony within our people, within our community, then everything will foster and will ultimately lead to development of all the citizens as well as all our region, and it can also generate employment here. If we reconstruct this Gumpa, it is going to generate employment. It is going to lead to development. It is going to make our area on the list of the people who wants to visit here. More tourist attraction, more growing of the cultural heritage, more development of the cultural identity that we have. So everything that happens can be summed up if we are contributing in one hand or the other in this reconstruction. Then it can ultimately lead to more development and overall peace and harmony and everything all in one, and also can lead to sustainable development and also the spread of Buddhism, which is the main goal. the more we spread Buddhism as believed and as perceived, the more we spread Buddhism, the more peace will be prevailed, which is the ultimate aim. As we know, in today's world that we are living, peace is rare in today's world. Everybody is striving for peace, peace and harmony. In society, it's rare to have the peace, overall peace. For that peace, we need to work together, come together, and work in union. If we work in union, everything ultimately will be solved, and we, as citizens, as a human, will be successful, and we can lead to development, and we can all thrive in peace, and we can maintain peace overall, and which is the ultimate goal and essence of being a good human. That's
अब
what,
धेरै
according to Buddhism,
भक्तजनहरू घटिसकेको छ। तपाईहरु हतार
Okay, thank you.